Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. In this tutorial, I'd like to show you some ways to apply question tags using different Austrian accents and dialects. Of course, the accents and dialects might change from valley to valley or even from village to village. In this video, we're going to cover Vorarlberg, Upper Austria, Styria and Vienna, and how we use the question tags like isn't it or aren't they in various Austrian accents and dialects. So here we go. The learning goal of this video is to get to know different ways to apply question tags using Austrian accents and dialects. In general, words for question tags in Austrian German are ODER, gell, goe, or nicht wahr, nicht wahr. So let's take a look at some of them. Let's start with Vorarlberg. In Vorarlberg, it is very common to use the question tag ODER, ODER. People in Vorarlberg like saying ODER more often than in other parts of Austria, where ODER is also a common question tag. For example, it is good, isn't it? Could sound like ist gut, oder? Ist gut, oder? In Upper Austria, the question tag goe is very popular. That's good, isn't it? Can be translated as this is gut goe, this is gut goe. Goe is used for informal communication. In formal contexts, we use goens, this is gut goens. Now let's go to Styria. In Styria, you may hear the question tag goal, goal. For instance, this is gut goal, this is gut goal. If you want to know more about the Styrian accent, please check out the video in the right-hand corner. The question tag nicht wahr or nicht wahr can be found all across Austria. In Vienna, it may sound like nicht wahr, nicht wahr. This is gut, nicht wahr. Summing up, we can repeat the most important question tags again. Oder, oder. Gell, goe, goens, goal. Nicht wahr, nicht wahr, nicht wahr, nicht wahr. I hope I could give you a little insight into the Austrian accents with these examples. Thanks a lot for watching the Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.